welcome to our channel. I'm Tenaj.
And I'm Faustino.
So today I wanted to tell you about Faustino and how Faustino breaks everything he gets his hands on. So as we're sitting here just relaxing and trying to assist Faustino in getting over his stomach bug, we get a text from the owners, and the owners tell us, well, hey you guys, just wanted to let you know that the guests will be arriving today for the Airbnb. And we're like, wait, today? Not the 31st, right? Because I remember someone saying
The 4th?
I'm glad that the owners gave us a call, because we would have been...
Well, that's 5 days.
Yep, they'll be here for 5 days.
Oh, I thought it was a weekend thing. For real?
It's like a long weekend.
So 5 days, I can't walk around bucketed naked?
Can't walk around butt naked. But that is going to be a good thing, because today when you were walking around butt naked, you were leaving a trail. Okay, that might be TMI. That just might be TMI. But I don't know. Faustino ate something the other day that did not agree with his stomach. And we're thinking it was the egg, and we know exactly where we got it from. So if we ever do go back to that place, we will not be getting eggs. That's for sure. I think what I'll do is I'll show you a little bit of the cabin, because I don't think that I showed you the cabin. I know I told you guys that there will be a guest that'll be arriving today. And but I don't think I've showed you the cabin. So let's take a look at the cabin. Okay, so today they're actually expecting guests to check in, and look at the view from here. It's pretty cool. There's also a little pool. I really love this style. I also love the colors. The colors in here are so light, and it makes this place feel so nice. And here is the bedroom. Amazing, right? I cannot get enough of this view. Oh, it feels so comfy in here. Everything is wood. So guys, the battery is about to run out. Faustino is preparing the pool for the guests today. And we'll see you guys when we charge our batteries. And that is the tour of the cabina. I am on my way back to the house, and probably get some breakfast. It's still super early. What y'all don't even understand is that this dude behind me, this guy right here, right there, this guy breaks everything he gets his hands on. How did this man break these people's coffee pot? Don't walk away. How you broke those people's coffee pot, bruh?
I hit it against the countertop. Any mistake, that's typical mistake. It wasn't anything like malicious or anything. It was just an accident. Just bumped it on the countertop by accident.
And how much is the coffee pot?
$100 and some, like $120.
So how did you break the people's glass?
That one don't count. That's preseason. That's preseason.
Okay. Well, what about the people's scissors?
That's the same thing.
That was not the same thing.
The scissors already broke.
The scissors were not broke. You broke the scissors. I'm telling you. See, you didn't even come back here for anything. Everything this dude, everything this guy puts his hands on, he breaks.
I must break you.
Okay, well, it is, I don't know what time it is. What time is it?
It's probably noon.
Okay, so I think it's noon. I'm assuming that it's noon. Anyway, I guess we're gonna go down to the bottom of the hill, get us something to eat, and then
Get a coffee.
we gotta go and price a coffee pot. We have to get a towel because I have to wash my hair, and I don't want to wash my hair and have purple dye on their towels. So gonna get a towel. We need some toothpaste, and I think that's it.
Something else. We needed food too. But
We do need food. We do need food, mister. Hey, mister. You know he likes to be recorded. You like it, don't you? I know you do. I know you do. Here's the living room. Really cool, right? And the kitchen. I think they said that this house was built about a year ago, maybe. There are beautiful views everywhere. Look at that. I love to cook with wine. Sometimes I even put it in the food. There's a hammock over there, and there's also a grill. We haven't bought any food yet to grill because we said that we were not cooking when we got to Costa Rica, but because there's a grill, all that might change. We have not gotten in the pool yet, but we will. We'll be here for an entire month, so here's their little sitting area. Look at this woodwork, right? Sure, it's beautiful. And then there's Doggy. So I don't know if I've told you guys, but that's his name. His name is actually Doggy. Hey, Doggy. Okay, so guys, this is the kitchen, and then you have the hallway. This is definitely a house that belongs to minimalists because there's really not a lot in it, but you have everything that you need. So in each bedroom, you have a chair and a bed. Nice artwork on the wall. That's all you have, and that's all you need. So right across from the guest bedroom, you have the guest bath, which is beautifully decorated. And then there's the room that we're staying in. Now notice, you guys, every room leads off into the pool with a beautiful view. There's also a laundry room, washing machine, a dryer, and that's about it.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our Jungle Sea Lodge walkthrough. This place is really amazing. If you're interested in booking the Jungle Sea Lodge villa or cabin, check out our Airbnb link below for a nice discount. Oh, and once again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget, if you're interested in pet sitting or house sitting around the world, make sure you try our Trusted House Sitters link below.